Okay, let's create a mYouTime about making coffee. So I'm launching the mYouTime app and I'm pressing the mYouTime button here. And now from the main menu I'll press the create button up here. So this is the title slide of the mYouTime, and I can add a title to my mYouTime. So this title will be making coffee. And I will add an image to this title slide, and I will just take a picture of the coffee machine. Like this, and save the image. I would like to add a learning objective, so I'll type in, we are going to learn to make great coffee. Like this. So there I have the learning objective, and the reason to learn this is that coffee keeps us going. Okay, so moving on to the next slide, which is the content slide. I will select a different template for this. I will use 2 images and a sound. So I've selected this template. And first of all, I would like to record a sound clip. So I press the sound clip button and record sound. And I will now record a sound clip. When making great coffee, it is important to use fresh water and use exactly 1 liter of water. So I recorded the sound and it's added to the sound clip down here. Now I will add 2 images. Now the first one is of the water. So I will take a photo of the water here. Like this. And I will also take a photo of the coffee machine with the water in it, with exactly 1 liter of water. And I'll save this, and we see that the images are added to this content slide. Okay, so the next step is adding the coffee. So I'm moving on to the next slide, and I would like to change this to a video slide. So I'm selecting the video template. So I'm going to record a video about adding coffee. So here we go. I'm pressing the video button and capture video. And record. When we're making coffee, it is important that we use a wet filter, and that for 1 liter of coffee, we use exactly 6 spoons of coffee. And it's also very important to even out the coffee inside the filter. So when we're done with that, we're putting it in the coffee machine. Like this. So after we've created the video, we're moving on to the last slide, the last content slide, and we will add a sound, image, and text template, like this one. So first of all, I would like to add a photo. So this shows which buttons to press in order to make the coffee machine start. So I will just turn on the coffee machine and press this button. And I will use this image on top here, and I will just add some text that says, finally, it is important to turn on the coffee machine. And I will just add a sound clip for this slide at the finish. So I'm tapping the sound clip button. Record sound, and I'll press the record button. It is very important that you remember to turn on the machine so that you can create coffee. Also, please remember to turn the coffee machine off after you're finished making your great cup of coffee. So there, I recorded the sound, and this is the final content slide of the mYouTime. So finally, I'm going to add a quiz question, and this is the last slide of the mYouTime. So I'm going to type in here how many spoons of coffee per liter. And I will add some correct answering alternatives and some wrong answering alternatives. So first I'll just type in the correct one here, which is 6. And I will add 5 or 9. And there I created a quiz question for my mYouTime. And I can also add some more quiz questions if I like, but I won't do that now. Now I have published my mYouTime and made it available to all the members of the organization that I'm in. So in the inbox, I can press the Making Coffee mYouTime, and it will open up with the title slide showing first. So I can move through the slides. Here we have the images and the audio clip.
Making great coffee, it is.
We also have the video slide.
When we're making coffee, it is important that we use a wet filter, and that for one.
And the slide with the image, text, and audio.
It is very important that you remember to turn on the.
And finally, the quiz question. So how many spoons of coffee per liter? The correct answer should be 6. So I'm completed with my mYouTime now, and I can finally sign off by sliding the screen down. So there we go. I just experienced the mYouTime.